Hello everyone, my name is Bhavna Koranga. Today I am going to give company review on Teamly Services Limited. The reason I chose this company is as I have taken my major as HR, I decided to do company review on Teamly's services which is into core HR services. Company profile. Teamly Services Limited was founded in the year 2002. The founders are Manish Sabharwal and Ashok Reddy. The headquarters are in Bangalore. Teamly Services Limited is India's largest and foremost people supply chain and HR services company. Teamly provides corporate clients a one-stop solution for all their staffing and HR departments, offering a gamut of integrated services. Over the last decade, it has emerged as a preferred services partner to a majority of leading Indian and multinational companies. The company also engaged in the business of training, recruitment, and staffing operations. Vision and mission. Teamly's long-term philosophy and goals are best reflected by their purpose of putting India to work. Their vision has been at the forefront of their existence, helping them employ one Indian every 5 minutes over the past 5 years. Their goal is to become the largest private sector employer in the world. They believe in three E's: employment, employability, and ease of doing business. Under employment, they have general staffing, specialized staffing, and hiring temporary permanent. Under employability, they have on the job training, online learning, on site learning, on campus learning. Under ease of doing business, they have compliance services, payroll outsourcing, and so on. The key people of the company are Mr. Manish Mahendra Sabharwal, who is the executive chairman, Mr. Ashok Reddy, who is the managing director executive, and Mrs. Latika Pradhan, who is the independent director of the company. The services they offer are general staffing, IT staffing, telecom staffing, hiring, compliance and payroll, learning services, skills, university. Their offices are located in Ahmedabad, Chennai, Gurugram, Kochi, Lucknow, Dehradun, Bangalore, and so on. Presently, they are present in 7,500 plus locations across 28 Indian states. Clients and competitors. The clients of the company are ICICI Lombard, Microsoft, L&T, BASF, and so on. Competitors are Manpower, Quest, Needs, IGI Group, Edico, and so on. Competitive strengths of the Teamly's. Market leading position with scale over 5% market share. Its extensive geographical reach, presence in multiple industries and functions, scale, ability to fill positions, sourcing capabilities reflects in its operational powers, which is a key determinant of success in this industry. Strong compliance practices that enable the company to build long-standing relationship with clients. Good technological and operational excellence. They have different softwares like My Team's recruitment management system. They have good mobile apps also. Strong functional knowledge and expertise across industry sectors. Analysis. Political factors. The government at both national level and local level are running deficit budgets, which is boosting growth in the short term but may lead to increase in inflation over medium term. The regulatory practices are streamlined with global norms which have helped the country to improve its ease of doing business ranking, international trade and other treaties. Economic factors, fiscal and monetary policies. If the employment rate is high, then it will impact Teamly services strategies in two ways. It will provide enough customer for the Teamly's products, and secondly, it will make it expensive for Teamly services to hire talented and skillful employees. The share of services in the economy is constantly increasing compared to share of manufacturing, goods and agricultural sectors. Social factors. Teamly Services has stringent norms for health and safety. So in emerging economies, it may have to compete with players who don't have high cost structures that of Teamly Services. Social norms and hierarchy, educational level in society, technological factor, research and development investment level. If there is high level of investment in technology development sector, then there are high chances of building a self-sustaining ecosystem that drives innovation. Team these services can leverage such a situation to hire the best people in business. level of acceptance of technology in the society, and empowerment of supply chain partners. Team lead services should assess what are preferred choices of mobile payments in the local economy and choose the business model based on it. Environmental factors, waste management, influence of climate change, focus and spending of renewable technologies. How climate change will impact Teamly Sabharwal, that is Teamly's services business model and supply chain. For example, if the supply chain is not flexible, it can lead to bottleneck if shipments for one part of the world are delayed because of sudden climate shift. Legal factors, data protection laws, time taken for court proceedings, consumer protection laws, securities law and data protection laws. Team lease services needs to assess what are the data laws in the country and what it needs to do to comply with them. For example, most of the European countries now want the European citizens to be saved in European countries only. Five forces analysis. Threats of new entrants. Whenever a new entrant enters the industry, it brings new innovations, new way of doing things, and put pressure on Team Lease Services Limited through lower pricing strategy, reducing cost, and providing new value and propositions to the customer. Bargaining power of suppliers. The overall impact of higher supplier bargaining power is that it lowers the overall profitability of the industry and of the team lease services. Bargaining power of buyers. The smaller and more powerful the customer base is of team lease services, the higher the bargaining power of the higher the bargaining power of the customer, and higher their ability to seek increasing discounts and offers. Threats of substitute products or services. The threat of substitute product or services is high if it offers a value proposition that is uniquely different from present offering of the industry or company. For example, services like Dropbox and Google Drive are substitute to storage hardware services. Rivalry among the existing competitors. Teamly Services operates in a very competitive staffing outsourcing services industry. This competition does take toll on the overall long-term profitability in the organization. Financials. So we can see that revenue from operations in the graph, which is increasing from 2015 to 2020 continuously, and even the employee benefit expenses, finance cost is also increasing from 2015 to 2020. Gross margin. Gross margin is higher the gross margin, the more capital a company retains on each dollar of sales, which it can then use to pay other costs or satisfy debt obligations. So we can see that this is also increasing from 2015 to 2020, whereas in 2000 from 2019 to 2020, it increased slightly lesser than what it increased in other years. We have current ratio, quick ratio, total debt equity ratio, and P by E ratio. We can see that the current ratio and quick ratio are 0.99 in the year 2020. Total debt to equity ratio is 0.13 and P by E ratio is 9.62. Net profit and loss. We can see in the graph here that in 2016 to 2019 the company is having good profit, but suddenly from the year 2019 to 2020 there is a drop in their profit. They are incurring losses. The main reason behind the losses incurred by the team lease services is the global pandemic COVID-19. 5-year chart, NSE BSE. BSE stock is 2176.80, which is increased by 0.23% from the previous day, and NSE stock is 2180.35, which is increased by 0.29% by the previous day. Awards and recognitions. Samman Patra for adherence to compliances in payment of direct tax. Highest service taxpayer in Karnataka. Top 5 ESIC contribution in the country. FICCI Leap World Skills Champions of Indian Award. Featured in Economic Times 500 list of top companies in India. Ranked amongst Fortune 500 Indian top companies list, and so on. Conclusion. Teamlease services have good amount of market share in industry, that is 5%, and have good competitive advantage. Teamlease services clocked some losses in the financial year 2020 as compared to previous financial years because of the global pandemic when COVID-19. There are uncertainties due to pandemic and reversal of positive momentum gained in the last quarter of financial year 2020. During this period of lockdown, company has taken various steps towards rethinking the new normal for the business and gearing their offering for the post COVID-19 lockdown world. Thank you.